The Hotel Belleclaire is one of Manhattan's oldest luxury hotels. It was built in 1903 on the Upper West Side of New York. It is a Beaux Arts architectural style blended with Art Nouveau secessionist style. What that means, I don't know, but I can tell you it is beautiful. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to tell you a little bit about the history of this hotel, give you a tour of 2 rooms where we stayed just so you can have a feel for it. Obviously, this is, again, a 100-year-old hotel, so each room is unique, but you get a good feel for the style and the amenities, that kind of stuff. I will tell you right now, the staff here was absolutely outstanding.
Cute are these old hallways. So here we are at room 410. It is a deluxe king here at the Hotel Belleclaire. Let's check it out. So when you walk in, you will notice it is a large room, which is a big thing to find in New York City for a deluxe king even. This is very spacious. You notice the cool hardwood floors, but you still have a nice carpet. Very Art Deco, modern vibe. And as you can tell with the furniture, it's very Art Deco. It's all new. Cool little lamp, but it's nice you have a little desk to work on here. And then you have a couple of drawers and with your luggage rack. And how cute is this? The little sitting area. Got some nice light coming in. You can see out to the road. So cool. Such a great New York vibe in here. Gonna swing around. You have a king bed. Nice duvet on there. Beautiful white crisp sheets. Each with a bedside table. And then this. Everybody knows I love my making sure everything's clean. You have lots of plugs with 2 USBs. Another plug, obviously turning out the lights on. Another USB, so you're stacked with USBs. You can put some stuff down there if you want. Got some cool art. Doug says, this is my side, and that's his side. That's so cute. You get a bottle of water complimentary on each side. And then you have, it's always nice to have a little notepad, a pen, taking notes from the phone, or you just need a note. Definitely been in places that don't have that, so I love that. Very pretty room. They've done a really great job. See the light fixture again, a little Art Deco. TV is a really big TV. So that's there, perfectly placed. You can watch it from the bed. When you come in, you have this closet with your safe. How cute is this? Toilet paper bag. You have your hair dryer. Lots of hangers. We've already got our stuff in there, but lots of nice space. Individual unit for controlling the air and heat. And then when you swing back around here, again, look at how much space we're talking from when I walked in. Lots of footprint space. Great, cute little mirror. Go into the bathroom. All nice and modern and clean and beautiful. Some products here. A shaver. Then you have a mirror, which that's really nice. I love how nice and light it is. And then look at how cute this is. You can put some of your toiletry bags or things like that on the little shelf there. Beautiful shower. Really nice head on that shower because some it's like, we'll check it out. It's probably got a lot of power to it. Back of the door, you can hang your towels, and then more products. The shower is quite large, I have to say. Again, Being an old hotel, they still really did a great job not skimping out on the size of the bathrooms, which is so nice. Love it. As you can see, I am sitting here on the little shelf against the window in the bathroom, and I am looking forward to our stay. It is absolutely great location on the Upper West Side. So we are looking forward to our stay. We're gonna show you a few of the things downstairs. They have a nice cafe that just opened. Check-in was wonderful, and let's continue our stay here at the hotel.
So as a quick little bonus feature, we actually stayed an extra day, moved rooms to do that, and I just wanted to share a little bit about what this room looked like because it was completely unique from the other one. Please ignore the bed because we didn't think about sharing these photos until after we got done. So pardon the fact that we didn't make the bed. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.